The serenity of the outdoors. How you doing, Matt?
Okay, we were just packing the car. This is more of a camera test, but there's Michael.
Mine's shot. Is it working?
Is
this distracting, Matt?
It's fine. I'll let it slide. Yeah, he's gone. He's gone.
I'm recording a time lapse, Matthew.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Love that.
Why isn't it going fast?
Time lapse. Oh, I should have set my speedometer thingy mabob to 0.
That was English.
It tells you how many Ks you've done. The thing that keeps track of distance.
We pulled over. Matthew had to take a pee-pee. Look at him go. Attaboy. Time lapse! Jesus. I love saying that. So handsome.
Oh,
So handsome.
flirt.
So handsome! Hey Matt, where are we?
We're in our Drossen.
We're at Drossen! Nah! Get the burn shot, it's over here. Let's do them. There's a guy over there.
There's a guy there watching us do that, yeah. We're here in our Drossen, aren't we, Michael?
Our Drossen!
We're in our Drossen. It's beautiful. Weather is amazing. So pretty happy with that. Pretty happy.
Drossen.
We just left our Drossen.
Our Drossen!
And we're now on our way to Edithburg. We're gonna go see the windmill, the wind farm
Yeah!
thing, which Michael's very excited
So
for.
I love wind and things that spin.
I feel unsafe. You know you're winning when he tunes you out. That's when you know.
Hey Matt,
What?
no hands. Watch as we pop a tire the moment we
Don't say that. Why are you making these stupid jokes?
I'm not making jokes, I'm bringing up possible circumstances. What? Oh my god! That's like bigger than my house.
Pick it in your house.
Turbines! The turbines, Matthew!
Turbines.
Turbines!
This is the best joke
Oh yeah.
you're ever going to see.
Oh!
Hey, how you going?
This is going in.
This is Michael.
It's all going in.
Oh, you're filming?
Yeah.
Hi, Mum. How you going?
You can't, she's not here.
Hi, Mum.
Stop! I want to go.
You want to go look at the junk?
It's like, how to get there?
Someone's dumped a sofa, so you know we're admiring this natural phenomenon here, and now we're going to go look at someone who's dumped a couch.
It's just lying here.
This feels like a trap. Don't sit in it.
I'm not going to sit. I'm not going to sit.
Michael, no!
It's abandoned by its parents over there. Do you see that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think we should return the chair.
You want to return the chair?
I think we should.
See you later.
Come on then, please, it's so
Bye.
high.
Bye.
It's
Bye. See you later.
It's just there.
Ah! Ah! No! We're gonna go to the campsite.
To the campsite?
That's our next stop.
Let's do that again because I'm out of focus. That's going in. Where are we going?
To the campsite!
To the campsite!
We're going straight there now.
Oh, let's
Yeah.
go! We're at the campsite!
We're at the campsite.
Oh, I'm so excited. It's tent time.
Yeah, let's
Tent
do it.
time.
Let's do it. This is the first time Michael's ever assembled a tent. It's very exciting.
Shit's easy. Just trying to assemble a tent.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, step bro. Wait, where's the instructions? Where's the instructions?
I think can you
Where'd you put the instructions?
calm down?
Where is it?
We'll come back when you're done.
No, it's fine. It all goes in.
So, and this is where it gets caught, so you have to...
I can, Matt, please.
I'm helping
Focus
you.
on the camera.
Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're
I
gonna
can do it.
far out.
Simple as that.
You did it!
I think it's good to go, to be
Yeah,
honest.
no, that's stuck in a
It's
tree.
stuck in a tree. Help.
Nah, you told me not to help you.
You know, I don't need your help, Matt.
Well,
I'm a big boy. I can
pick
do it.
side, you know?
Matt
done?
has been my tent.
Yeah, that's your own.
Can you get it out?
Nah.
Please.
Nah.
I touched it. Finished my tent. Oh, what's going on over there, Matthew? Oh, you're
I literally helped you.
struggling a little bit. That's so embarrassing.
Well, here we are in Pondalari Bay. Michael's pretty impressed.
That's amazing.
Here we are.
Ah! That's so cool, man!
The light is beautiful. Like, how, that's just stunning.
Can't beat that. Can't beat that. That's so cool! What is crazy?
Right?
Who invented it?
Anyway, we're gonna head back to our campsite now. Yeah, do dinner.
Yeah.
You reckon?
Yeah, din.
And then we're just gonna chill and probably have a couple of beers, I guess. That's what camping's all about.
I love camping. I think he's gonna beat us up, Matt.
Maybe.
Run.
Maybe.
Matthew, we're surrounded. I love him.
You can't have him. I'm sorry.
What a great first day. I'm so happy.
So tomorrow we're going on a big hike. It's 12k one way.
Wow.
So it's a big one.
This is a transition for the next day. That's not gonna work. It's all going in. The next day. Oh shit, that's a SpongeBob reference.
Beautiful.
Hey Matt.
Hey buddy.
Check out this sad cat. What is that? It's a handsome man, that's what it is.
What's that?
What is it?
It's handsome man.
Oh.
Yeah.
Watch me run that way. I love camping. It's great.
Yeah.
We go home. What's wrong with Sam?
Hate sand. It's rough and coarse and it gets everywhere.
Ah, unlike you, man.
Oh, stop it.
Go catch the boat, Matthew.
Which boat?
No, get the boat, Matthew. Catch the boat.
Which one?
Go catch the boat, Matthew.
one?
It's right there. Catch
one?
the boat.
I'm gonna skim this rock
Okay.
on the ocean.
I love that for you.
Right, you ready?
Get it done.
Here we go. So this is, what was it, a 12k walk, something like that?
Yeah, about that.
It's gonna take a while. It's gonna it's gonna be the main part of this day. It's pretty hot.
It is.
So we've slathered up with sunscreen and everything.
Walk in New York. We're walking New York.
We're walking New York.
Let's go, Matt.
We're doing it.
York to walk.
There's so much York to walk. There's so much of it. We got first aid.
And it's in good hands.
Good hands. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Look at him go. That's an emu. Look at him. Handsome as that.
Stop it, you. You're so cheeky.
I guess I am a little bit. Got to bring the trolls vinyl.
Oh, thank Christ.
What do you mean, thank Christ?
Oh, we dodged
We need it.
My ass is so sweaty.
All right. Hey, Matt.
Yeah.
You know what I love most about the York?
What's that, Michael?
The walk.
You love walking?
We're walking New York, Matthew.
So much of it.
There's so much York to have been walked. Walk in New York.
Walking New York. Wow. You vandal.
Well, so this walk is messing with our mental stability a little. I'm Assassin's Creed. Matt, we're gonna die.
I'm Dr. Alan Grant.
Working at the car wash.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, at the car wash, yeah. Yeah.
You okay?
Y'all small to the fish,
it's
I'm
enough.
one big catch. Sharks there!
So do you feel better or worse now?
I'm gonna vomit.
So we just walked the York, didn't we, Michael?
Don't walk New York.
It was hard.
Pizza time. Nice. This you.
What are we making?
What are you making?
We're making soup.
Like soup.
Keen to have this. It's gonna warm us up. It's getting a bit chilly tonight.
It is. Yeah, it is.
What up with that, God?
He has nothing to do with this.
You do not say that to me again.
Early the next morning.
Another SpongeBob reference. Wow, this video sure is funny. Let's go look at some lighthouses.
I'm keen. I'm excited.
We're gonna see some lighthouses.
This incredible view. Michael's impressed once again.
Stunning, man. It's so nice here.
And we're gonna go for a walk up there to the lighthouse and see how we go. Look at that.
You know, Matthew, the lighthouse, okay, so
Yeah.
it's actually named after the character from iCarly called Spencer Shay. This is based on the character from iCarly. I told you.
Yeah, no, you're
Spencer Shay from iCarly, that's what it says
I didn't,
right there.
I didn't believe you, and you told me. All right, we're at Ethel Wreck. There's Michael. Just walking down steps, which are painful after our walk yesterday.
Wow, how long was the video for?
I think it was
4
like the
days?
19th.
Oh,
Yeah, look at that.
weirdly pretty, isn't it?
Oh, we forgot the chairs.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, we did.
Don't say that.
We forgot the chairs.
Don't say that. What do you mean not in the car?
They're at the
I
campsite.
asked you.
Yeah, it's all my fault, isn't it?
That boat is just sitting there. It's broken. It needs to go home.
Okay, so Michael and I are now fishing in Stenhouse Bay. How you going, Michael?
Yeah, pretty good, man.
Pretty good. Oh, watch this. He's going to show off. He's going to flex. Very nice.
Just wait. That looks like bait.
I don't know. I didn't see.
We'll probably catch something. I'm pretty confident we will.
Definitely. Back like that, and then
That's
just
right, and then just let it go. Yeah, it's a good cast.
2 hours later.
3 SpongeBob references in one vid. Oh! We put in here for about 2.5 hours. Caught nothing.
So now we're just driving back. It's starting to spit a little bit, but it's really not that bad.
Moments later.
4 references! Holy shit!
That is bucketing down.
Oh my God.
That came out of no. It was funny. We were sitting going, oh, you know, it's spitting, but it's not going to rain that much. And then this happens. And it's got this weird, like, yellow color in the sky.
Yeah.
I guess the sun's just like piercing through the rain clouds, I guess.
Maybe.
But that is
Gorgeous though.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
still about half an hour away from the campsite, and it might have washed away by the time we get there. It goes by so quickly, and yet we crammed so much in.
Oh yeah. That was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed that. And there's still a fair amount of daylight left in the day. We're gonna go beer testing.
Yeah, it's gonna be great.
But the campsite is packed, and now it's just on the road.
What have we got? Okay, are you drunk?
No, I'm fine.
Are you actually drunk?
No, I'm genuinely fine.
Up until about 20 minutes ago, him and I were just getting along really well, and then suddenly he's become quite passive.
There's no problems here.
Become quite passive.
What are you
aggressive towards
talking
me.
about? Shut up, Matthew.
And I'm not actually sure.
Shut up!
C-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song. C-A-M-B-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along. C-A-M-B-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song. Patrick!
Song! C-A-M-B-F-I-R